Your fucking skills. Own them in the face. With your awesomeness.
I would love to own them in the face, but my face would be all fucked up and my confidence would be destroyed forever.
Wow, this guy really...
Yeah, that wouldn't be good, would it? No, it wouldn't.
That definitely escalated.
You escalated quickly, shut up. I'm just kidding, I love you.
So we have 3.
Jamba juice.
Tell him to hurry, so we can light them all up.
He's doing his best.
Well, his best is not good enough.
Sambe has spoken!
Montage.
How dogs or legs?
Music. This is for montages. Somebody start training right now. Montage music.
Push-ups.
Do it. Montage music. Not in front of the fire, so be careful. I don't want you to hurt yourself in the name of the montage.
Oh shit!
Yeah, bitch.
Yes.
Oh, a spark falling. It's coming down to earth. It hit the tree, it died.
No,
it's in the street.
It's right over there.
No, Mr. Spark, don't ignite anything serious.
He's dying.
Hey,
He's
Caleb.
dying.
Someday, love will find you. Someday, smash, 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 smash.
Fucking face like...
Okay, you can pay attention to that now.
Could you not, please?
I was telling him that the love was gonna find him.
Ow, that burned me, you fucker. Yeah.
I like this song. That's not a word, fuck you.
That's an incorrectly spelled word.
Yeah, it is correct.
Wow!
Listen here, bitches.
I'm a human?
Yes.
Thank you. I like the term human.
Wow. Oh, we got ourselves an ash falling to earth.
It's
Slowly.
gone away.
Slowly.
Slowly yet surely. Oh, someone's got a big dick.
Yeah.
I think this is either blue or purple.
Let's hope
I hope it's blue.
Same!
Are we just best friends now and Sammy's
my
not a part of this at all?
God.
Fuck you, Sammy.
Holy shit!
Holy ass blasting bitch fuckers.
Same.
Ass blasting bitch.
I'm gonna use that from now on, thank you.
You're welcome. Fly free with it. Just don't hurt anything.
Blue!
It's green and purple. Okay. It's Mardi Gras colors. Somebody give me some gumbo.
We fucked up.